Good morning, grade 2s. It's Tuesday, and welcome to our next math lesson where we're going to continue to talk about money today. You're going to need your textbook and you're going to need your workbook today. So press pause if you need to get those items and then come and continue to watch. We're going to start with, I have an amount of money that I've wrote in figures. That means numbers. I've wrote the numbers on the board, but like we do in math, we're going to write it out in words, okay? But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to practice, how would I say this amount of money to somebody, okay? So again, we start with the dollars. We don't say dollar at the beginning. We start with the number. So we say $10, and the decimal means and 35 cents. So that's how we say it, and that's exactly how we're going to write it. So I'm going to write $10, okay, and 35 cents. I don't know if you can see all the way over there. I'll move my camera a bit. So $10 and 35 cents. So as you do your work today, I want you to say it out loud. Read it out loud to yourself to remind yourself to say the dollar, the amount, dollars, the decimal means and, the number of cents, okay? And then when you write it in words, you're going to not write any of the numbers. You're going to write the number word, the word for each of those numbers, okay? And remember, anything above 20, we do the hyphen. So 30-5 for 35, okay? That we're going to write them out, okay? So you're going to open up in your textbook to page 38, and at the top of that page, it has different items that maybe we would buy, and it has a price tag on them. Okay, so I want us to practice saying these numbers, okay, and then we're going to write a few of them out, okay? So let's look at the bag that we might carry. Maybe that's something your dad or your mom might carry with their laptop in them to work. So we're going to talk the bag, okay? Let's say this. So say $17 and 95 cents. Okay? So let's write that out. So I would write $17 and 95 5 cents. So that's how I would say it, read it, and that's how I'd write it out in words. And we can keep going. Does that look like a book about animals? Okay, what would we say for the amount that the book of animals would cost? We would just say $5, right? And if I were to write it, I'd put $5, okay? And then one of those spinners, you know, that you spin, that one, what would we do for that? That doesn't have any dollars. It is just 60, so I'd write 60 cents. Just like that. There aren't any dollars, just 60 cents. Okay? Now let's go to question number 3. It has us an amount, and it wants us to write blank, and it has dollars, blank, cents. So let's look at that number. What would we put in front of the dollars? How many dollars do we have? 4. And then how many cents do we have? 75, right? So you can keep going along. Whoops. If you're following along right here, we did $4, and then it would be the number 75. So here's where you can write the digits, the numbers. Okay, the next one. How many dollars do I have? 8. And how many cents? 0. And let's do the last one. C there. This time I have $0 and 35 cents exactly. Okay, so that's where we've got our dollars and our cents. So today in your workbook, you're going to do 2 exercises. You're going to do 25, which you're going to match up the amounts with the words, okay, with the money box. Then you're going to take these and actually write them out as if we would write them out with money, with your dollar sign and your decimal, okay? And down here, you're going to look at separating the dollars and the cents and tell me how many dollars and how many cents. Then you're going to flip over and do 26. And again, some more matching, some more writing it out. And then this one is all in words, but you're going to write the digits, the figures for it. Okay? So you're going to do both exercise 25 and 26 today. And we'll see you tomorrow.